motor.
Hey, Dirty Bird, 127 wave.
Hell. Goddamn 120 round Connecticut. Little Dirty Bird said, look at all this stuff here again.
Hey, Dirty Bird, that's 127 New York.
Don't sound like there's no DX conditions out there.
No contact, Dirty Bird, you're 127, reading them out.
Don't sound like there's no conditions out there today, but I knew the crackhead would be out there. He's got nothing else to do. He got nothing else to do because he's a crackhead. Like that. It's not like he could...
Hey, Dirty Bird, 127 in the mail.
Hey, 127, pick up your letter, man. Pick up your check. Junkie. You're right away and pick up your check. Hey, 127, Dirty Bird is right back.
Roger, right on. Hold on, somebody's stepping on me.
Ain't nobody stepping on you, man. You coming on through it? I know you hear me, crackhead.
Roger, right on, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, that PP guy is Joni Iron Maiden, man. New York City's token puppet out of Kraken Island. He spends most of his time ghost talking and serenading me, so I'm going to go back to Channel 19 so I can slay the monkeys down there. You're 127, Dirty Bird, TGIF, we down.
Nobody can hear you, remember that. One crackhead 7, nobody can hear you. One tooth.
Hey, Dirty Bird, he swears you can't hear me right now. I'm back quiet.
Where's that one tooth 7, the man with no teeth? I think on video, okay? You show you what time. Where's the toolless crackhead, 127?
Well, you know, that's how you have to live out here with junkies that like Joni Iron Maiden out of Kraken Island, man. Yo, dude, let me tell you how you make it into New York City's Hall of Fame. Anybody that's seen that video, Token Puppet, man, knows what I'm talking about. Dirty Bird, TGIF, I'm down.
Trying to catch his breath. He's half dead, that crackhead 127. He's barely alive.
Roger, you got your gate going to let that boy know, Joni and Kraken Island. All right, well, he was talking to you a minute ago, man. That's the PP guy, the 450 bird, who says it's 900 pep rather than being 1200 pep. But that's Joni Iron Maiden out of Kraken Island. Let me sit back quiet. He's trying to get to you. I don't talk to this cat.
CB. Hey, bye, 127. You better work this already. Half dead. He's about 600 fucking pounds. Video and let you know we'll be posting it off. He wastes his life on CB radio.
Hey, Dirty Bird, I'll turn this guy out royally, Dirty Bird. Hey, Dirty Bird, when you post it up, go to YouTube and share it with Iron Balls 135. Hey, Dirty Bird, when you post that video up, go to Iron Balls 135 and share it with that duck mud. Share it with that little junkie boy. I turned him out. I brought him to life. Hey, check out his video channel. They call him, I call him Iron Maiden 135. The rest of New York, he likes to believe, calls him Iron Balls 135. Yo, Dirty Bird, send that to Iron Balls 135 at YouTube. I'll be quiet.
Hey, that little homo fucking tube don't do shit, bitch.
You're gonna ghost talk to me for the rest of this video. I'm gonna sit back for a couple of minutes, listen to what junkies sound like on the first of the month.
It's all about the big ass metal ground plane on the roof.
Background plane.
That fucking thing is. Took it right down. Put up a real antenna. When he shot Dave in Georgia, took it down and put up a real antenna.
Hey, that shockwave sounding good in my IMAX. That shockwave sounding good in my IMAX while we both dance over the ground plane.
Real ground plane. None of that crackhead 127 fiberglass piece of shit. That's all he could afford is shit. That's what happens when you're a drug addict on SSI.
Crush to the first of the month, Chunky Boy present.
Oh yeah.
You know who that is, 127 New York.
My 100K a year. Oh boy, a little bit of. I'm getting pretty close to the 100K mark.
Hey, who that out there making all that noise? 127 New York in the weight room.
Hey, 127.
All right, I got Dirty Bird. I got the other guy in Illinois. Come on with them numbers.
18, 100,000 mark.
Roger on the 1-8 in Illinois while we take out that big ground plane that's ghost talking. You'll hear the ghost talker in the video gate there.
Crackhead Richie, that's all you do is ghost talk out here. You're out.
And 1-8 Illinois. What time is it in Illinois?
People are talking to you. It's funny, man. What a waste. What a waste of fucking life. CB radio every day, all day long.
Hey, 1-8 Illinois. You in there with him, 1-8 Illinois. I'm reading them out.
Junkie fucking waste. He keeps up on his microphone and he talks. These people give a fuck about what he's talking about.
Hey, 1-8 Illinois, put it on video gate. Send it to Iron Balls 135. Your pistol with the bang. I'm down.
Crackhead. Hey, crackhead, you wish you could get out as good as I do, man. You're lucky to fucking South Carolina or something. You're a crack.
Roger, right on, 1-8. 1-8, he's sitting there wishing that he could talk to you over me and shit, but I guess we're demonstrating what it really is. Well, that's because it's the first of the month, dude, and, you know, he's still cranked up, man. He might even be crashing at this moment, so we'll have to put up with him today and for the whole weekend. You know how that goes. Look at today's date, 1 through 7 now.
What's the deal? What's the deal on my home channel? What's good? What's going on?
Hey, I told everybody on Channel 19 in the tri-state area that 125 or below hears me key up on 28, they will not hear him on Channel 19 no more. That just made the last video gate platinum. 127 New York.
Talking about? What is Crackhead Richie talking about now?
All right, I'm going to get back quiet there, Skip Land. I'm going to leave it to the two ghost talkers in New York City, Joni Iron Maiden 135 and Mr. Enforcer, a.k.a. 25 or below. Punky Pieman. The she-male's not awake yet. 25 or below couldn't wake up the little she-male, so I'm going to go across the room, roast these L's, let Skip Land have a little good time with this video gate. It ain't live, though, but it'll go up. It'll go up as number 1, the 8-minute and 40-minute zone. I'm down.
Hold on. No one gives a shit about your video gates, Cracky. Richie. Hey, Crackhead Richie, that's what everyone calls you. No one gives a shit about your video gates. I didn't think so. No crackhead on my video. You act like it, shit.
Hey, Joni, I can't stop 25 and below from keying up, but I can step over you and him to all of DX Land and hope DX Land makes enough noise to show you y'all ghost talking. You're 127 New York, back away.
You're overdriving the shit out of that damn Cracky.
Cool.
Listen, I'm barefoot, man. If I hit the switch.
All right, well, check it out, Mr. I'm barefoot. If I hit the switch, I'm not going to have to worry about overdriving it because I'm going across the room to lay down and leave this video gate running. Have fun.
You gotta run that Ameritron continuously to be heard. Even 10 blocks away, you gotta run that amp. That's how stupid you are. I don't need to waste energy. Once the DX starts coming in, you know what happened. Boom. The switch goes on. The warm-up process takes place.
Hold on, DX Land and Channel 28, good time, gang. ENFORCER250 is the biggest name coming out of New York for the last 5 years, and he wants to make it known.
Bible Stumper took you right out to that man. He called my number.
Hey, Bible Stumper. The junkie boy. Hey, Bible Stumper. This is one of New York City's junkies you talk to.
Right out of Georgia, man. That boy didn't even hear you. He goes, yeah, 250, because I was kidding around. I was like, damn, now I'm going to throw this radio in the garbage, man, if I'm not being heard in Georgia. This guy came right back to me, right over the top, right over Richie.
And every time I turn the radio, I want to hear 127, the crackhead out there. What a fucking loser.
It's all right, Cracky, it's all right. I'm sure someone's going to hold your hand out here.
Crackhead 127 out there, the junkie from New York. Hey, I hear Mike out there. Hey, Mike, morning, man. You must have went out last night and begged for a handful of change, man. Now you bought some drugs. Now he's up today on the radio because he got his drugs. Hey, crackhead, I am the worldwide station, not you, bitch. I talk all over the fucking world from here.
It's only going to end one way, crackhead.
Shit, you got a bunch of used garbage over there.
I told you that for the last 3 years. You're learning 250 below the hard way. But hey, man, you have to do something to try to get it to end, man.
Put it on all day. And Section 8 pays for your electricity. Welfare pays for your electric. That's why you're on all day. If I had welfare paying for my electric bill, I'd be on the radio all day, too. Right, crackhead? Hey, crackhead.
I told him what he had to do, but he doesn't want to comply with the big boss, so he's got to suffer.
Yeah.
He's got to pay the price. Sorry, crackhead. No free meals for me. No free lunch.
Call him Richie 127 in Brooklyn, the crackhead. Got no teeth.
Hey, Channel 19, did I not tell you the minute 250 below here's me keying up on Channel 28? You will not hear him on Channel 19 no more. The first pistol grip video gate, that's in the 8-minute zone. At this moment, this pistol gate is at 1250 as I go. Do I know what I'm talking about? Am I in control? I'm back to 28, boys and girls. I bet you when I turn the channel selector there, 250 below deep in talking to me.
I want to catch him on my video gate. Let's go, Mikey. Come on, crackhead, I don't hear him. Anybody out there tell me if 127's out there, the crackhead? I'm trying to catch him on my water gate out here in New York.
All right, it's 727, right?
All right, anybody tell me if that 127, the crackhead of New York, is out there? I'm trying to catch him on my video gate, but I don't hear him.
Hollywood, somebody keep dropping a big old hammer on you.
Crackhead.
He's happy, he's carefree, and he's gay. He was born that way.
Some breakfast.
That's Richie.
Two first of the month junkies. ENFORCER250 below and Joni Iron Maiden.
To get some breakfast. I gotta wait for my disc.
Hey, you blow a smoke out that Swati River in the first pistol video gate, 14-minute zone.
First video, God, I find that hard.
You're 127 New York standing by.
And probably 4 of them about me.
When I talk, nobody hears you.
What a delusional little monkey.
Enforcer says I've been on the channel and I made 4 video gates with him so far, man. This is the first pistol grip video gate. 1501. just like the shoe I wear. 1501 as I go.
My mobile.
The shoe that you wear. You wear holy sneakers. We talking about shoes.
I had Skip Land, 2-5 below, can't shoot Skip, and you know I don't talk to this junkie homo, not on this frequency. So I'm gonna get back out of Mike's reach. Y'all can enjoy the ghost talking first of the month junkies. You're 1270, you all got down.
You do coke and you're the hardest smoker around. Those are your words, not mine.
Back kid, I know I'm getting.
You know what I mean, Alcone? It's his words. It's his words, man. It's all on his recordings. When I was doing coke, I was the hardest smoker around. Those were my words. You never heard me come out like that. You never heard me, because first of all, I don't do anything. I don't even drink, man. But Cracky, woo, he's a big time dope man. He loves making those dope dealers, he likes making them rich. Think about all the money he could have saved, the bank account he could have if
Alcone, I got lots of polish for your crutches, Alcone. I got lots of polish.
Look, he's 53 years old. He's a bum. All that money he could have saved. This guy could have been living in Park Avenue right now.
I know they can. Because I get reports back from Long Island.
You know what I mean? It's a shame, it really.
Joni Iron Maiden and 2-5 or below swear they stepping on Pistol out there in them gates. Let Pistol get back quiet.
Lives, their bodies.
You got GPS on you? What do you got? Followers?
Yeah, makes his videos harder.
Dude, I swear to God, 17 minutes ago, I told everybody on Channel 19, you will not hear 2-5 or below once I key up on Channel 28, dude. And lo and behold, the 319 morning show video gates went platinum this morning. The last one's not loaded yet, but I'm going to attach the last one to this one. This is the Pistol #1 gate audio video. Your gate, use it and abuse it, I'm back quiet.
One thing
I'm gonna let that one pill do his thing. I'm gonna let that one pill, that big ass one pill do his thing.
Oh, what, 2-5 or below ghost talk? Which one you talking about, Joni Iron Maiden, Token Puppet, or 2-5 or below?
With liquor, with drugs. You know what I mean? Listen, I'm not putting people down.
2-5 or below is just one big repeat of the last hour and a half on Channel 19, dude. Yo, he told me to say, you have to hear the last video. The video is going to be in this description, dude. Yo, my man, listen. By the end of that video, you're going to say, wow, Richie really destroyed and exposed this junkie and punked him beyond chicken belief.
The tobacco industry, they said they have over 150 different chemicals.
Right now, he's talking to Alcone, the guy he was talking to on Channel 19, who was about 4 or 5 city blocks in the air away from him. That's the only motherfucker that'll talk to him on this channel, Alcone, Black Hawk, and CK and Bad Girl, you know? But they're all like 4 to 10 blocks apart in the air down there in the Lower East Side. The fan capital of the nation, East Village in New York, 127 clear.
It's expensive as...
Project radios, project babies.
Still smoke, man. What is it, up to like $15 a pack? Just look at that shit. And like $3 or $4 of that is taxes. But, yeah, hey, it is what it is, man. That's why I can only say thank God I never started smoking.
He's worried about all the money I spend on my cigarette and weed habit, you know what I'm saying? And it bothers him, it concerns him very much.
And I'm like, damn, I don't want to ever be like that.
He's mad that radio work pays for me to sleep all day and play on the radio all day and all night if I choose. He's mad that radio work has been paying my rent for the last 5 years, man, and for all my habits and my big fat belly. Hey, I'm good at what I do. Pistol, Richie RC 127 down.
It is what it is, man. So anyway, let me go in the computer here. There's a couple of things I had to do. And I'm gonna be on the side. Oh yeah.
Let's see how long that lasts before he starts ghost talking again. The king?
The big boss around the Big Apple.
It's about the money.
Audio video, don't mess with that boss now.
Good morning to you up there in the Keystone.
Roger, yeah, you're talking about the, they call it
Audio, video, don't mess with that big boss of New York now.
Mixing that with that one pill. Watch your back.
Oh, no way. He got the ACOM 1000, man. He unvacuum sealed it and took it back out the box.
Mixing that twice horse tranquilizer. They're stealing one pill back. Fucking people up. They were ODing from it.
Man, listen to this cat, man. This is the reason you just say no to drugs, dude. I try to tell him as long as he never has to say, as long as he never says yeah, he'll never have to worry about saying no. But he doesn't understand, man. He too busy doing a Bill Cosby trying to shut the fuck up while he having a Coke and not smiling, man. I try to tell him, oh, one love, oh, Sensamilia. Bob, hey, listen, either Bob Marley and Peter Tosh got it wrong or I'm in the wrong world.
He loves you. He's in China. That's where
You heard him on his morning show. He's more obsessed with Richie than his drugs, dude. That didn't come out of my mouth.
Oh, that shit, that was...
Dude, he took that video gate down, bro. That video gate gone, bro. Everybody was razzing on him. Once it came clean. Yo, my man was in such a fit. He said, I'm more addicted to Richie than my damn drug. Yo, we fell off the chair, bro. I love when his mouth goes quicker than his brain. The king of New York, the king.
And they make it legal. It's amazing, man, how...
It's 2127 in the video gate number 1. Let's skip land, have this gate. We're clear.
And they're making that shit, and people are fucking ODing over that shit, man. They're the ones that need to be in prison. All right? And the sad part is the people that take that shit, they become like zombies and end up ODing or killing themselves. It's sad, man. It's a sad state of mind. And it's a sad world that we live in today, man. It really is.
So sad. Homo, so sad.
Exactly. That's exactly what they do. And look at before they made it where you can't get that shit, the painkillers. Remember Oxycontin, Oxycodone?
Yeah, it killed him that they put a stomp of restriction on those, man. He's got more first-hand drug knowledge than anybody I have on video gate in 5 years.
Like it was going out of style, man. They're the new drug dealers. The fucking legal drug dealers. They got a white.
As the bird flies, less than 4 blocks, him and 250.
And they were writing scripts like you wouldn't believe, man. And
when Al Cohn told them all off yesterday about this being a skip channel, get the hell out of here, not one of those Marys called him a dick licker, bro, Richie's dick licker. Because Al Cohn is too close. When he keys up, their meters smack all the way to the right, man. Al Cohn is like, was like Richie the big man on Utica. How's that?
And now, they changed it where there's no more scripts. You go see a doctor, that shit's sent right to the pharmacy. No more paper scripts, no more. That's just the...
He's stumbling and stuttering, man. He's trying to butter Al Cohn up, bend his ear, fill him towards the bullshit. And all Al Cohn want to do is shoot skip and have a radio, but he can't if these cats are following Richie around, splashing him when he's shooting skip and fucking up when he comes here to shoot skip.
And they use it to do vaccines. That's one of the make a vaccine because they use supposed to use for something else and they mix it with the...
You want to talk to Al Cohn, call Enforcer first, get 250 Glow's attention, he'll let you in, and then you can shout Al Cohn. He'll get so happy if somebody's calling him, dude, trust me.
Exactly. I agree. Exactly, Al Cohn.
Max antenna. You little fucking half-wave dipole you got there.
Johnny still ghost talking to me.
Fiberglass with a coat hanger in it. How far you think?
Joni Iron Maiden still ghost talking to me.
Oh yeah. I talk international all the time, man, on the handband. I talk all over the...
Can't believe the humidity out there.
He's ghost talking to the same borough. Oh, excuse me, one borough away.
I'm not sure. I don't know, maybe go to a decision. It looks like it's going to rain.
How about it?
Yeah, they were saying off and on rain today, chance of thunderstorms later on in the day, around 2, 3 o'clock. It's supposed to be rain off and on.
Radio technician.
Go to work at 2:15. Maybe start raining after I start working.
What a crackhead.
Roger.
No, I'm going to work in the bicycle. I'm going to bicycle.
Junkie.
Oh yeah, that's cool, man. That's good. Hey, it's good exercise. I love riding a bike, man. It's good for your heart, it's good for your legs. Very good. It's good for you, man.
It's a shame it can't do nothing for your manhood.
Bad on your joints, on your ankles, your knees. Bicycle is low impact. You don't have to worry about bad ankles. You know what I mean? I love riding a bike.
Well, Johnny, a 3-pound heterodyne versus 5s and 7s. But hey, they're convinced as long as they believe I'm hearing them, they're good with that. Joni Iron Maiden's ecstatic.
And not to mention, on the bike, you can go places, you know what I mean? You want to go to uptown. See what I like to do? I like to take my bike. I go from the South Ferry on the west side all the way to the GW and back and forth. That's a good ride right there. I forget how many miles it is. I gotta look at the computer on the bike, but that's the trip I like to take.
Yeah, I'm in the Mexico.
And the bike right now, the fire and go to 110.
Take it to Staten Island,
110.
Joni Iron Maiden having a ghost QSO with me.
Exercise, you know. What's really good, but I like to ride when it's a little cooler, is Central Park. I do 2 laps around the park, and I call it a day. Because don't forget, I still got to go all the way from there back home, you know. And that's what I like to do when it's cooler, not when it's humid like this. Because you lose too much fluids, you know. When it's humid like this, you sweat. And even though you can have water on your bike, you're losing water so quickly, you know. But yeah, that's what I like. I like Central Park. And now they closed it off. No more cars. They officially closed it off. The only places where the cars go is Crosstown. But before, when they used to go through the park, no more. That's only for pedestrians and for bikes.
The fucking thing too.
And you may come out from some places in the air and some places in the concrete. And the concrete is more places that you may come out because all the heat in there is heat. And that's why you may come out.
California doesn't.
Yeah, that's true. That's why it feels the way it does in the city, man. All that, the concrete, the asphalt, the street, that all holds heat. Absolutely, man. You're right.
Yeah,
that's why you feel sometimes we feel the heat in some places. Some places we work, I don't feel the heat. In some places I work, the heat is too high, and some places too low. In different places it's cool.
and then I use a G.